Hey guys, so this is not at all how I was planning to do this video and introduction because I was not expecting this package to come till Friday. Today is Wednesday. I just ordered this yesterday, I think is when I ordered this. But I think my GoPro package is here. Hey bud. I don't know. You gonna help me open up? So I got this. So let's open it up and see what it's like. Ooh, three-way. Oh, floating. I'm not doing a good job of describing these things. Ooh. Pretty, just pretty awesome. I'm excited. Let's close her eye. I never want to be one of those unboxing people, but I was very excited to get this, and I think other people are looking to get a GoPro, so I thought it would be fun. It's mine. Oh, there's instructions on the back. Okay, so first pop up, there's this little, I don't know if you can see it, this little thing. Pop up that. Oh, push those two in. Oh. Oh, okay. The thing that I haven't seen yet, I'm gonna turn this off now though, because I feel like this is a lot. Alright, let's try this thing out. There's like a main road right there, and I don't want to go with it. I don't see anything about no bikes up there, but it's a narrow path and I don't know what I'm doing. So that whole filming was maybe 5 minutes, but it is really buggy out, so I'm gonna pack this guy. Also, do you see how my seat just like rotated on me? That is the one downfall, I will say, of townie bikes. Okay guys, so that was a good test run. I'll see how this footage comes out. If this actually ends up being a vlog, we'll see. Tomorrow morning I think I'm going to do another bike ride at a spot, and hopefully this footage is good. So that means charging you, and I was told that the battery life only lasts like an hour and a half, but it takes 2 hours to charge. So thank God I got backup batteries, so going to be charging all of those tonight. Alright, thanks guys for coming to hang out with me. That was kind of a scary turn off. But that was fun. Yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thanks so much for testing out the new GoPro with me. I hope you found it at least somewhat helpful, just like seeing what it's capable of doing. And tomorrow we're gonna be going on another adventure, so I look forward to you guys exploring a new spot with me.